All right, I'm here with the new Ather Rizta, and this one is my favorite color. It's like bumblebee yellow, but I know there's a different name to it. But let's do a walk around. Today's like a media test drive sort of day, and this front part looks exactly the same as the Ather 450X. This one is not touchscreen. Apparently, they removed the touchscreen because this is more family oriented, and with kids in the front touching things, that could be funny. But yeah, I guess the main highlight of this is the boots. I'll have the figure up on the screen, but this is fantastic. And this accessory is apparently a bag you can just take out and away. It's super convenient. You could probably just go grocery shopping down there. Super fun. I mean, yeah, the boot is nice and big. This is apparently an accessory with what's hardy cool. This is also another accessory, you know. And you roll bar cage when you roll. And you just getting onto it, turning on the scooter. So press brake. Alright, I turned it on. And looking at the scooter, you have these buttons are very clicky. पहिला चाहिँ यतिको क्लिकी थिएन अब चाहिँ pretty clicky नै भन्छु म अनि just scrolling down connected devices my Rista it's very similar to the 450 अनि you do have your Bluetooth your brightness auto brightness language twist चाहिँ नेपालमा छैन रे नत्र you could do this and oh it's on I did not expect there is no power off button रहेछ यसमा I did not know that नत्र यहाँ off power's cut off button थियो but it still has reverse there we go and forward and then तल जान average speedहरू देखिन्छ trip देखिन्छ I mean it's the Ather package अनि अब चाहिँ two modes आउँछ a zip which is like a sporty and then a smart eco mode so like I'm guessing this is good range again this isn't touch receptive so I'm like confused ऐना चाहिँ अलिकति सानो देख्छ for whatever reason but it's good enough. Ani your high beam, low beam, your headlights, and then a horn. So yeah, and then you get another accessory here, like a quick baggage sort of situation there. It's a name, but putting the stand down. It's a much bulkier, heavier body. Like I'm really a fan of this nice design at the back. Ani yeah, like similar build, similar seating position, but this seating position at the back is really comfy. So, in case you're like in traffic and stuff as a passenger, you're definitely a passenger princess on this one. On your front ko look say is like pretty much similar. Here's the side light. Look on it, nothing too different. Anyway, all right, that concludes my quick walk around of the Rizta. I'm sure I'll be testing it at some point, and hopefully then I'll be able to check out how this is in person and on the road. Until next time, see you.